back here with another video today. What we're actually going to do is starting the process of assembling back this Nissan 350Z. Putting it back together. I've got my gauge. This is what we have, what we call a tram gauge. You can actually use it to measure your wheelbase, to make sure your wheelbase is straight. And you can X out to make sure that the car is actually square. Now you can get this here from more clamps. I bought it from more clamps. So what I have here is called a tram gauge. And what we use this for is actually you measure from one point of the car to the next point of the car, from one point to the other point. That way you will know if that your car is the front of your car is actually square. Now this also carries an extension that you can extend the gauge. And what we use this to do is to actually measure our wheelbase. And what this will do is give you a pretty good idea of where our wheelbase is. If the wheel is too far back, this gauge will pick it up because we get hit on the wheel. So then I'll show you, take the car up in the air, and I'll show you how we measure the different points underneath the vehicle. That way we'll know that the top is good and the bottom is also good. Right now what I'll do, I'll show you how I actually measure the front of this to see if it's off. If it's off, then what I have to do now is to bring a machine so that I can actually pull it to get it back, or bring it to a machine. Because I don't have a machine. If not, what I would have to do is to build one, put one together, run to Harbor Freight, get some jacks and stuff, put one together. That would be in another video, and just show you how you can do it at home. And you can pull the car and it will be correct when you're finished. So let's start the process. see, we just put the whole front together. And I'll show you the lines on it. The lines is good. So, and on these 350Zs, you can use the convertible doors, you know, on the hard top. So I'll give you a walk around it. So you can see we got a line straight on the front. I'll show you the other side. And you got the lines right here. So all we're missing out is just the bumper, the front bumper. So I would pick that up aftermarket or from the junkyard. All right, so that's it for the front. So we move to the back and put the back together. And then we'll start the process of doing the mechanic work, get the car running, and then we'll come back to do the body work.